Get back. Sir, get back, get back. Get back. Get back. Get back. Which way you run? Hey! He's over here. Wait, watch your back. Where is he? Get out. Ya. ¿Dónde se fue? ¿Estás bien? Airship, I think he ran into the parking lot of the U-Haul.
On the north side of this building, in between.
Okay, right here. Hey, hey, hey! Get back! Get back! He got him! Hey! He's right here! Drop the gun! Okay. I see him. Roger, I got the suspect right here in between the building. He's wearing a green shirt, black pants. Get over here! What? Hey! Get out of there! Hey! Get over here! Get over here! You're gonna get shot! Hey, Raj! I got suspect right! Let me see your hands. Hey! It's coming towards you. Hey! Get on the ground, dude. Hey! Get down! Get down! Officer needs help. Shots fired! Get down! Officer needs help! Put it down! Get down! Get down! Officer needs help. Shots fired. Get down. No. Hey. Get down, man. Watch out. Watch my.
He doesn't have anything in his hand.
Let me see. Get down. Get down. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. You're going to get tased again. Don't move. You're going to get tased again. Do not move. Get your hands behind your back.
You shot me, I'm shot!
No, you're not.
Shot fired!
Hold the frequency, code for